Hello North Queensland, my name is Tony and I'm a clinical nurse consultant for the 2nd Infectious Diseases Unit or IDU2 at the Townsville University Hospital. We all know that we need to be prepared when it comes to cyclone or floods, but what about a pandemic? Having a COVID-19 kit at home is one of the handiest things you can do to help both yourself and others if you become unwell with COVID-19. There are some essential items that you'll need in your kit. These include a thermometer, pain relief, your regular medications, a plan for who can look after your children, pets or people in your care only if you have to go to hospital, face masks, hand sanitiser and gloves, a plan for how you'll get food and essentials for 2 weeks such as frozen meals, long life milk and supplies and food for your pets. If possible, arrange to have a friend or family member who doesn't live with you to shop for you and you'll have it all left at your door. Phone numbers for people you can call if you need help, stay-at-home activities to keep you entertained such as books, puzzles and/or art projects. Start your kit today. Encourage your friends, family and loved ones to be prepared as well. We can do this together. Thank you for having our backs, North Queensland.